At a recent Senate Judiciary confirmation hearing for Andrew Duva, the nominee for Assistant Attorney General at the Department of Justice, Senator Blackburn pressed him on how he plans to address and end what she called the political weaponization within the department.
As you're looking at this new role in the criminal division, I want you to talk for a moment about what you will do to end weaponization of our legal system.
Thank you, Senator Blackburn, and thank you for taking time to speak with me yesterday. I really enjoyed our meeting. The term weaponization is used quite a bit, and I think as a career prosecutor and in the criminal division, our litigating components with the trial attorneys, that you do what we've talked about, and every referral, every matter that's brought in by a law enforcement officer, it starts somewhere. And to begin a public corruption investigation or a nationwide fraud investigation or an international drug trafficking investigation, you have to have articulable facts and predication. You can't just start it because you feel like it. You don't start it based on a person because you don't like them. That is weaponization. You start based on the facts. This thing, we believe, we have these articulable facts have occurred. And then you go to the statutes and you begin your grand jury process with your grand jury subpoenas, and you work your way up to probable cause, whether it be a search warrant for electronic devices or whatever the case may be, a physical location. So there's a process that you go through and that I've become an expert in handling grand jury investigations. And there's so much value in that. You learn so much about your case from the grand jurors. Every grand jury that I've presented before, at the end of it, they have thanked me for the scope and the breadth of the investigations that I've been involved in. So we're going to do it the tried and true way, Senator.
Yes.
We're going to evaluate the facts and apply those facts to the law and make charging decisions.
Well, I hope that that will provide some solace to my friends across the dais, because that is not what took place under the Biden administration, and we saw it time and again. And of course, some of us are living it. So thank you for that approach.
For more congressional news, stay tuned to Congress Clips, and thanks for watching.